Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 21, 2022. 4-star Sudoku. Column F and column G we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 3. Column D also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H we have 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 6. 6th row we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining. 6 is confirmed here. 6th row only 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8 will confirm later. Column B under 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F and 8th row and 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column J we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 2nd row we have 3 numbers 1, 3, 4. So 1, 3, 4 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. 3 will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Column J we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E and 2nd row we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column J we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9 will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 10th row 3 numbers are remaining 6, 9, 4. In this grid we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then in this grid only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 1 will confirm later. In this grid, 4 will come in any one of the cells, will confirm later. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. Column G also we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells. Column E also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Column J we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column F and 4th row we have pair numbers 2 and 4, so 2 and 4 can't come in these cells. It will come any of the cell will come 2 and 4. 2nd row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column C and column D we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells. 2nd row also we got 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. In this grid also we have 8, so 8 can't come in this 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column C and column D we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. In this grid 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7 will confirm later. Then column J only 1 numbers are remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9 will confirm later. Second row only 1 numbers are remaining, 6 is confirmed here. In this grid only 1 numbers are remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column E only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5 will confirm later. Column F we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. In this grid 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9 will confirm later. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. In this grid 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 6. 9th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column F we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 4th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Third row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column D we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 5th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fourth row, only one numbers are remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 5, so 5 can't come in these cells. Fifth row also we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Fifth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Ninth row, only one numbers are remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Fifth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Fifth row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, so 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Fifth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. It helps my channel if you like my videos. I'm expecting every single one of my YouTube members. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.